Alright, so I'm back home and yeah, I just felt like I should probably come back and review and officially unbox this camera for you guys.
Get down!
I'm just going to be unboxing the video. Unboxing my camera I'm going to be shooting and using. Obviously, I'll still be using my iPhone because as you can see, it's still okay. Using the iPhone is okay because obviously everyone's trying to save money. We're probably all college students. We're all young. We're not trying to. But we're all we're all trying to save money. So yeah, this is a beautiful camera, guys. This is the Canon EOS M50. Another feature on this camera is pictures as well. It takes good pictures. I'm going to show a couple of pictures of here, somewhere. I don't know, wherever you see it, just know I've shown it. But it takes good pictures, guys. Literally just like any DSLR. But this is not. This is a mirrorless camera, basically. I would advise you to get this, to be honest. That's if you don't want to blow it back. This was only what, $600 or something like that. And to be honest, that's pretty affordable for a good camera if you know that you're going to be invested in. If you want to invest in your career, I feel like this is a good camera to start with, basically. So let's get to the unboxing video and leave all my talk. So first off, I was saying, obviously the manuals, we don't read. It's 2019, guys. Come on, who reads manuals? We have Google, so this is going to try. Off the back, we have the camera in this bubble wrap. I already put the neck strap on because, like I said, I already used it. But this is what the camera looks like. The EOS Canon, the Beast. Yeah, like I said, it has the preview monitor. Like if you were vlogging, you basically see yourself from here, and you can. And if you're taking a video and you're facing down, you can do all that. It's really nice, honestly. I don't know what else to say. Obviously, I still have a lot of learning to do with it, but from what I know, it's about to be lit. Oh yeah, by the way, I was gonna say, thank you so much for my 47 or 40, 45. I don't know. 40 something subscribers. It's crazy. I haven't. This is my first video, and before this video, I already got to that. I don't know. I feel that's a good number. Don't you think so? But yeah, I'm honestly really thankful for that. And yeah, you guys are the real MVP. Let's keep growing. Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your brother, tell your girlfriend, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your auntie, tell your uncle, tell your niece, tell your side chick, tell your... Oh my goodness, tell everyone. I'm gonna try and see if you can focus on my face. It's crazy. I don't know if you can see my face here. It has the auto focus, so it basically catches your face when you move. You know what? Why don't we just switch the camera and see how that is? What do you think? Okay? Yeah, let's do that. And this is what we are seeing on the new camera. Oh my goodness, I'm so hyped. Tell me this wasn't a good buy, honestly. I'm so proud of myself. This is literally adulting 101. Tell me about that. But this is what it looks like on the EOS, and this is what you're going to be seeing. This is the kind of quality I'm going to be providing to you guys, honestly. So we can all give the Apple iPhone a round of applause. Yeah, it's done. It's served its purpose. It's done well. Basically, you guys can see how I'm moving, and it basically goes out of focus, but like I'm back in focus again. Like, this camera is amazing. What else can I do with it? For vlogging, it's an A+. For recording footage, it's an A+. You're gonna see. I actually used it to film my lookbook, which is gonna be posted soon. So that was my review on the Canon EOS M50. And oh wait, hold on. I have to do this, right? I have to do it. Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you for watching this end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. That's how it goes, right? Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend. I don't know. Tell people. Ben is on YouTube and it's about to be lit. Let's get it.